Welcome back, first timers. But if you're new here, I'm David and this is Terry.
We're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time, and you can too.
In this episode, we're still at Sun Outdoors RV Resort in Orange Beach, Alabama, because we are here to celebrate somebody's special big day.
It's my birthday.
We're out here to catch the Sam Hunt and Brett Young concert tonight at the Wharf.
If you don't know, the Wharf is a giant outdoor amphitheater.
They have huge, world-renowned artists come out here all the time. The amphitheater holds 10,000 people, and you get some big name talent out here. And Sam Hunt is one of her favorites, so we had to come down.
It'll be the first time. Hence the first timers.
Yes. Some of you may or may not know there's different rules on what you can bring into music venue or concerts. So we actually are prepared for that, and Terry is going to pack a bag and kind of walk you through some of the things you might want to consider bringing when you're going to an outdoor amphitheater.
This particular venue only allows clear bags, so I got this cool clear bag on Amazon. So we're going to start with that. It has this cool guitar string strap that you can make bigger to wear it as a crossbody, or you can wear it as just a regular purse. It comes with 3 different straps, all different designs, colors, so you just pick your favorite. I went with the gold and black, leopard, and plain black, and I'll put a link down in the description. Second most important thing, sunglasses, because it's bright out here today. We got these cool loop earplugs. They reduce the sound but don't degrade the quality of the music or conversation, and they're made to look super cool. And we went with the black and the gold. They also have a nice little carrying case so you don't lose them. We also got some deodorant because it is super hot out here, and we're going to be next to a lot of people and we don't want to smell bad. Then it's always handy to have a couple of band-aids. I know this for a fact. When we went to EDC Las Vegas, I got horrible blisters within about 5 minutes of walking in some very cheap shoes. Next up, hand sanitizer. I like the kind that you can just hook onto the outside of the bag so you don't have to go rummaging around for it every time you need it. Some sunscreen to protect your face. Got some Advil in case you get a headache. A couple of liquid IV packets so that you can stay hydrated. Bubble gum. Chapstick with sunscreen because you don't want your lips to get sunburned either. You also want to put probably a little bit of cash in there just in case you need to pay for parking. Finally, some citronella wristbands to keep the bugs away because we are in Alabama and there are a lot of mosquitoes around. Island Boutique. They're awesome, so helpful. Thank you, Deb, for helping me out with everything.
So while you get a nice twirling session of Terry in her new dress, I'd like to mention that we had 2 extra tickets to this concert, and we wanted to find some strangers to give them tickets to the show so they can enjoy it with us. All right, we're in the parking lot, and we're going to just wait for people to walk by and ask them. But I think we're nervous.
Just a little bit.
This is the first people that walked by, and we didn't ask them. We got cold feet. We'll just wait for somebody else to walk by.
It's a lot harder than you would think it would be.
Yeah.
I'm not somebody that would walk up to a stranger and offer them free tickets, or anything for that matter.
And I would. Like, we're in Alabama, and I think if I just went up to 2 random guys and said, hey, would you like some free tickets? I might get punched. So let's just wait a few more minutes. We decided to get out of the truck and walk towards the box office to try and find people that look like they're gonna go to the concert but haven't bought tickets yet.
At least we'll know that they'll enjoy the concert because they were planning on going anyway.
Well, this is super awkward.
Turns out most people already have tickets, so everyone that's coming up to the window is actually coming to will call.
So we're gonna wait a couple more minutes, see if we can find anyone trying to buy tickets, and we'll give them to them.
Hi. Are you kidding me? I am too. Oh, I would love that. I am. Yes.
What's your name?
I'm Danielle. What's your name? Vivi.
Where are you guys from?
Navarre. I'm from Atlanta.
Wow, okay.
Yes.
Well, we got extra tickets.
Oh my gosh, we would appreciate that so much.
And the good thing is you
Thank
don't
you.
even have to sit next to us.
Yeah, because they're not even with us.
Okay, well then. We don't want to embarrass you guys anyways. No way. Oh my gosh.
You want to introduce?
You're serious?
Oh, here we go.
Are you serious right now?
All right, so we made it to seats. Maybe not our seats, but we did make it to seats. I think there's kind of a laissez-faire approach to seating here because our seats were occupied and we just didn't feel like displacing an entire family. So we've now relocated to an area just adjacent to where our seats were. Hopefully nobody else is going to be missing these seats, but I think these ones are not occupied because there's a giant stage right in the middle. We got through the first 2 acts and we have Sam Hunt coming up next. I think we're in pretty prime seat to get a very up close and personal view
Let's hope so.
of his gyrations. So
I'm excited.
It is hot and there's a lot of movement, a lot of seat shifting, but so far
Everybody's been really nice.
and it seems like every seat in the house is pretty dang good. So if you come out here, even if you're up in the 300 section, which is really just the next level up, it's good. It's a good clear view, and then they have really nice screens here where you can see the whole show. So drinks are as you expected. I mean, they're a little high. However, they're not like Vegas prices
Yeah, they're not
or
horrible.
California show prices. So $16.50 for a double. Water's like
$2 or $3, I can't remember.
$2 or $3, really can't beat that.
Yeah.
So we didn't check out any of the food because we don't want to give up our seats. And yeah.
Just stay hydrated if you come in the summer because we are just dumping sweat.
I probably lost 6 pounds so far. So we're trying to get through the show. We'll rehydrate afterward. And this is the perfect example of why those
Liquid IVs come in handy. That was a hot one.
That was an
my
amazing
God.
concert. We ended up having some of the best seats in the house. Happy birthday, Terry.
It was amazing.
I think that might have been her dream come true.
It was so close to Sam Hunt, I could see the sweat dripping off his face.
I got some in my eye and it burns. He needs more water.
It tastes so good.
Anyway,
Just kidding.
we had a blast. Recommend coming out here. Check out the Wharf. It's an amazing venue. It's 10,000 people, but it's also intimate at the same time.
Yeah,
But be prepared for the heat.
yeah. Losing my voice right now. So
Hey, but thanks again for following along on this episode, and join us next time when we do something else new for the first time.
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.